Alrighty then. Hey, I'm not sure where the accent came from, but let's keep it for a moment. So y equals sine theta plus 45. Sketch it for one complete cycle. Now, to be honest with you, I think the easiest way to do this is first to sketch your base curve and then shift it. So I do these differently than I did the other ones. I'm not the biggest fan of mapping notation with these. You certainly can if you want. Some teachers swear by it. Now let's talk for a minute. This axis here is going to be the theta axis. Does that make sense? Okay, because it's not x's. I have thetas running across there. I'm looking for a better pen. Yay, I found it. This axis up here is y, or we could easily say that it's sine. Well, no, we'll just call it y for now because I'm going to do two curves on there. So Miss Pickley took all my white out again, so this is the best I can do. Oh, that was ugly. All right, so that's gone. All right, so let's graph the first curve. The first curve is sine theta. So sine theta is going to go 90, 180, 270, 360. And I know that sine goes up to a maximum value of 1. I'll make that 1. I'll make this -1. And I know sine starts at 0, goes up to a max, goes down to a 0, comes down to a min, goes back up to a 0. So here's sine. Isn't that pretty? Remember your concavity. So that's great. That's y equals sine theta for one cycle. Is that what I was supposed to graph? No. What was I supposed to graph? I was supposed to graph sine theta plus 45. So I'm going to look for another color here. Here we go. So what they really want me to sketch is this puppy. This puppy is simply this puppy moved to the left 45 degrees. Can I find 45 degrees? Well, since I sketched in 90s, 45 should be half of that. So this will be -90, which means this will be -45. This will be 45. This will be 135. This will be 225. And I hope that's all I need. Nope, I'm going to need one more. 315. So I take this and I move it 45 degrees to the left. That's 45 degrees to the left. This is 45 degrees to the left. This is 45 degrees to the left, 45 degrees to the left, 45 degrees to the left. Goes up, comes down, comes down, comes up, and we have y equals sine theta plus 45 degrees. And you can tell that the sine curve has been translated with a phase shift or a phase angle of 45 degrees to the left. Now, I did it with two graphs. You most certainly can do it with one graph if you would like. I do it this way. I'm going to pause the video and come back to the next example.